Alright, so the weather is amazing outside. People are enjoying the sun, and we instead are in the room
I
and
am really
attempting
jealous of all the people just chilling out
Yeah.
on the lawn out there.
attempting yet another auto deploy.
It's gonna work out for you.
Alright,
That's why we came.
let's get started.
This one, right, Scarlet?
Passing build. We want the cherry pick first.
Oh, okay. Wait a second, I thought I changed this to use. Okay, never mind. I did. It's the underscore now. Okay.
Can we turn off the light just for a quick sec? Run!
Run, run.
Oh look, that didn't need any hacks, additional ones at least.
We just didn't show you what those were.
Oh, that ain't good.
What was that?
Well, you are deploying, so.
Alright. And the battery is gonna run out on the camera.
Hopefully I set up the branches correctly. I'm mad if I didn't.
To deploy picker. Alright.
Excellent.
That's happening.
Did we add a message?
We did not.
We did not add a message. Alright, well that's fine. Just
Now we need ops.
yeah, let's go to merge train. Is that the one? All right. Can you write this down that we need to add a skip? So we need to pass a variable that will disable build image in the merge train.
Maybe for all triggers, right? Like there's no reason.
Yeah, there
there's
is no reason.
to do it for a trigger.
No.
We escape build image.
I would say just, or we modify this GitHub CI to not.
We
use those on triggers.
we already have a variable for this. It's called build underscore image or something like that. So we just need to set it to 0 and pass that variable.
I got it written down. We could create an issue later.
All right.
Or I'll create an issue later. So this
Wait,
will always
the
be-
branch is called 002.
Yeah.
Did you create the one in Omnibus as well? With Jarv's stuff?
Yes.
Alright.
We
He,
merged
he
it.
copied your instructions and updated the number.
Alright. Oh, perfect. Alright, so it's updating the clone. Well, this is definitely going faster now because
Do we have
the
caches?
cache is there. Yeah. Cache is there. Pushing changes.
Must have gone faster.
It's definitely faster, yeah. Alright, so which means, this means that now we can go to GitLab EE, right?
On dev? No.
On .com and on dev. No, this is CE. You want EE. Alright, that happened.
Got mirrored?
It got mirrored just now.
Nice.
That's nice. Now that pipeline is running. Can you, yeah, close that. Go back to dev. Let's just check. Yeah, this is the things that we picked. Right?
Yep.
And this is now creating the asset. Go to the pipeline in the jobs. So the first job should be compile assets, right? And that's gonna take some 10-ish minutes.
Can you go back to that screen again?
I don't think that's the one that actually
Yeah,
pushed
I
them
think
up. There's another job.
there's
under
another
test that
one.
does it.
Can you scroll down?
Yeah,
This is the one.
that's the one that's gonna be. This is the
Yeah, that's the one that needs to run, so it'll
Yeah.
take a while.
that's gonna take a while.
Meanwhile,
Alright.
we can kick off a fine green master.
Yeah, let's do that.
But
That's odd.
sorry again.
I'm really curious which one he's gonna find.
Uh-huh.
What are you looking for, Robert? That. Okay.
How's your stuff,
What?
How was your stuff? Is it?
I am sending it to CI job to run the tests, and then I'll submit my measurements for deploy tooling, and then when that's secure, I can set it up in the deploy.
This is the third stage, right?
Yeah, this is the third stage.
And the code
Run it.
Did you say you will add the job
To deploy the trigger.
to the deploy.
Great.
I don't know what job this is going to find it in.
Yeah, but I'm really curious because our commits
Maybe
do not show any of the green pipelines, which is really curious.
They did in the previous test though.
It did. It did. So I wonder why that
Lazy
is.
loading, and it's just slow to respond or anything.
It's the same commit. Why?
It's the same commit. Why is it running now? Yeah, you're right. That's odd. Anyway, let's just check which one it's gonna find because it's really interesting. AA415. Can you go to the dev commits page for this branch? Oh, alright. So somehow that's...
This is I think there's a problem here where not all of these EE commits will have the compile assets job run on dev. Only the ones that get pushed to dev, right? Like a lot of them will get skipped, right? So if we find a commit, oh, you already talked about this?
We need to have a conversation about it.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
We need this conversation. Yeah, so this kind of makes me wonder again whether we should just use the merge train commit if we are sure that that's always going to get mirrored to dev and that it always will have the compile assets job run on it. But
I think
would
we
like
need
to
to approach
offer
it
us-
differently.
I would like to offer a second solution, but let's have that conversation after we finish the test.
I think we should not be depending on upstream job in these time-sensitive pipelines. I think Omnibus should be creating those on demand at that moment
yeah, that makes a lot more sense.
because we have too many time-sensitive items here.
but,
And if we depend on yet another pipeline that is down upstream,
yeah, it's ridiculous.
it's getting too complex to even follow, let alone
Yeah.
actually work.
So yeah, because we have now two requirements. The commit needs to be on dev, plus the compile assets job
Needs
needs
to
to
be-
run, which may not
Right,
be true.
which
But
adds
How would the omnibus pipeline compile assets? It would need the source code, which means it would have to.
That's easy. We have been doing that previously. It's
Yeah.
only one flag that it needs to be added to the pipeline, and it's running. It can run on demand. It doesn't have to wait for the pipeline. But we will need to edit the omnibus pipelines for that, and that will require a bit of brainstorming.
Okay.
So yeah,
But it would be a job in the omnibus pipeline to check out the GitLab EE source code on dev and then run the
It-
ring command.
it already it already, like, as soon as omnibus can find the commit.
Yeah. Oh, right, because it already has the source code.
It
So
already
needs
has
it
the
to-
source-
It needs
correct.
it to build the package
Correct.
anyway.
So it already has everything. It has also all the support for building that package. Building those assets.
Yeah.
It's just that we were trying to save some time.
I see, because it was already running on dev.
Yeah.
It had already ran on dev
Yeah.
earlier, so why do it
Why
again?
do it again? Exactly. And not to mention that we also had to do it for the charts. So that is two
Yeah.
times where this would run. All right, but as I see here, dev is actually omnibus.
The mirrored tag from
Yeah.
.com on dev.
Right. But I think this fetch assets job may not complete.
Yeah, and this is why I'm saying basically
Yeah.
this, for this type of pipeline, right, where we're going to be deploying this should not exist. And we should find a way for this job to build the assets. And there is a way to do that, but we'll need to brainstorm a bit how to do that.
Okay. Doesn't sound
No,
like
but-
it'll be a big change.
No, I don't think so as well, but actually this is pretty